Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting in store for you. If you've been searching for ways to earn money online, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of online earning, where we'll explore various opportunities, strategies, and tips to help you make money from the comfort of your own home. 1. Freelancing. Offering your skills and services as a freelancer is a popular way to earn money online. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect you with clients seeking your expertise. 2. Dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can start an e-commerce business without the need to store or ship inventory. You set up an online store and partner with suppliers who handle the product storage and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. 3. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative online earning opportunity. Join affiliate programs of trusted companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or Commission Junction, and promote their products through your website, blog, or social media platforms. 4. Online teaching/tutoring. If you have knowledge or expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online teaching or tutoring services. Platforms like VPKid, Teachable, and Udemy provide opportunities to create and sell courses or offer one-on-one tutoring sessions. 5. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content such as videos, podcasts, or blog posts, you can monetize your creations through platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or blogging networks. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and donations can become significant income streams as your audience grows. 6. Virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and business professionals require virtual assistants to handle administrative tasks, manage schedules, or provide customer support remotely. Websites like Zirtual, Upwork, and Remote co-connect virtual assistants with clients seeking their services. 7. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research studies can be a simple way to earn some extra cash. Websites like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Toluna offer rewards or cash for completing surveys and sharing your opinions. 8. Social media management. With the growing importance of social media for businesses, managing social media accounts has become a sought-after skill. If you're experienced in social media marketing and content creation, you can offer your services to businesses looking to enhance their online presence. 9. Stock trading and investing. Online platforms provide access to stock markets and investment opportunities. Learning about stock trading and investment strategies can potentially yield significant returns, but it's important to educate yourself and approach it with caution. 10. Web development and design. With the demand for websites and online presence increasing, web development and design skills are highly valuable. If you have coding and design expertise, you can offer website creation, customization, or optimization services to individuals and businesses. Remember, success in online earning often requires a combination of skill, persistence, and adaptability. Choose an opportunity that aligns with your interests and strengths, and be prepared to invest time and effort into building your online income stream.